Hey guys, how are you doing? So this was the first item I got, the Maybelline Hyper Tight Liner. So this is the first time I'm seeing a gel or a pencil eyeliner that is bent like this, and I think it's going to help when I'm trying to angle the angle of or the tip of the cat eye when I want to draw a small cat eye or even a larger one. So let's go ahead and open this. I'm just going to cut the packaging at the top because it's much easier, and I have the scissors for that. So let's go ahead and do that. And this is what it looks like. Wow, okay, I have never seen something like this. It looks really interesting. Twist to open cap, whole liner front facing. Okay, twist. Okay, so it just like opens like that. Ooh, that looks pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like on the hand. Pretty easy to draw on and looks quite solid as well. The second item I got was actually this eyebrow pencil from Rimmel. This is in the shade 02 Hazel. I already have one from Rimmel as well. So the original eyebrow pencil that I have is the same one, but in a darker color. So this is in 001, I think black brown or something. So that's the original color. And I decided to get a color that is lighter because I want to lighten my own hair. I have plans to go lighter in a way, and I think that it will look better if I have also lighter brows. Otherwise, I just have too much contrast going on. So let's just open this and see if I can show you the difference between the colors. So on the left is shade 002 Hazel, and on the right is 001. I think it's black brown, which is the one I've always been using. So I'm just gonna draw them on my hand so you can see the difference in the color. Maybe here. So that one is quite dark. And then Hazel. So there you have it, and I think it's gonna look better on me, the one on the left. So the final item I bought was this blush from Revlon, and this is in Oh Baby Pink, in French, Rose au Bébé. And I got this color because it looked pretty nice. I didn't get to try this color in the store because right now with COVID going on, Watsons has actually taken out or taken down all the testers, so we can't test anything at all in the store, so we can only see them. And what I did was I googled for swatches and reviews online, and I saw that this color seemed quite nice, so that's why I decided to get it. And let's open it up. Okay, so that's what the blush looks like in the pan. It looks very pretty. I can't wait to use it. Maybe my next tutorial for my everyday makeup. And let's just go ahead and swatch that really quickly. Ooh, look. I'm just gonna, I don't know if you can see. Oh, it is a pretty pink. I don't know if you can see it, but I can, and it's a light baby pink. It's really pretty, and it blends quite well. Soft, and also, yeah, I would say this is really good. I'm sorry if you can't see it on the camera, but I can see it in real life. There you go. It's a little bit more color. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And yeah, that was my third haul of the day, which I am quite happy about actually right now. Yeah, so let's look again at the three items I got. So it's these this Maybelline tight eyeliner that is bent, and I got the Rimmel eyebrow pencil in 002 Hazel, and finally a Revlon blush in Oh Baby Pink. Yeah, I can't wait to do a look with these new products, and so I will see you again very soon in my next video. Thank you.